Welcome to the headset company. My name is Jens Bernhard. Today I want to explain you how to upgrade your standard Comtac into a Comtac headset. Headset means that you have a microphone attached and a cable for the attachment for the link to your radio system. So everything you need for upgrading your Comtac I have here on my desk. First of all, you need your Comtac and you need one of our upgrade kits. Each upgrade kit contains 4 parts. First of all, you have a microphone. There are 3 different kind of microphones. You have the standard Peltor microphone. You have the next generation microphone, the MT73. It's a special version. It's nearly the same like the standard microphone, but it has an IP68 certification, so it's completely proof against dust and water. And you have the MT33 microphone. It's nearly the same like the MT73. It's also have an IP68 certification, so completely waterproofed and dust-proofed. But this one is flexible. Yeah, so the MT33 is flexible. The MT73 is foldable. Yeah, each of this has its own advantages. And the standard microphone is also foldable and not flexible. So yeah, let's start. First of all, take your Comtac and just make this thing loose here. You just can click it out and detach this thing here. Then you need this microphone holder and attach this microphone holder to your headband. So when you have done this, take the headset, put this together, and now you need a wrench, an alligator wrench. Took an alligator wrench and tried to adjust it that you have approximately 1 centimeter distance here. So put this together. And then it should look like this. So now we go on. Take your microphone. I will take personally my favorite microphone of all of these. It's the MT73. So take this, put this on the microphone holder. Now you need a little bit of power. Press this together, so it should look like this now. It's clicked in, can't get loose anymore. And you're done. Now, take the cable from our upgrade kit. First of all, plug this 2-pin NATO plug into your Comtac. Some Comtacs have this jack on the back side, some on the front side, but most of them should have it on the back side. Just plug it here, then take the microphone and plug it here. So it should look like this. Then you take the clamp. This clamp is important. Put it on the cable. This clamp is important that you can attach it to the jacket or somewhere else. That the cable don't run around, and yeah, you always have good protection against that something is pulling on the cable and your headset is coming from the head. So it's important just to attach this to the cable. So yeah, now you are nearly done. Now you already have your headset here. Yeah. And you're ready to communicate. What you need else to communicate is radio system. I think you already have it here. And you need a PTT adapter. PTT means push to talk. PTT adaptation is always different, so for each radio you have, each radio has a different PTT adaptation. So just plug this here and the other connector to your radio system. So we're done. Now you have upgraded your Comtac to a Comtac headset. Thank you for watching.